Well, hello, this is Old Man Tony here again. I'm just nipping out on the bike to Attleborough, where they make Hood jeans. I'm hoping to get a pair today. I've made my appointment for 4 o'clock. And you get to go and try some on, and then they turn them up so they're the perfect length for you. They get good reviews. What's this car doing? Just not sure where they're going, I think. Yeah, so I'm going to get some Hood jeans. They get good reviews and are reasonably priced, and have the special Kevlar lining right down to the shins, so not just lined in strategic areas, they've got a full lining. And then you can get optional knee protection and hip protection as well, which I think I might go for. And they're only a few miles down the road from where I live, so I thought, why not go and try them rather than ordering them by mail. I think the jeans are actually made in the UK. I'm not sure if they're actually made in this place here or whether this is just their distribution centre. The only reason I say that is because when I rang them up last week to find out if I could get a fitting date, they said they were waiting for some to come in, so they obviously make them elsewhere, I think. And I'm obviously a popular size because they seems to be the size that they run out of the quickest. This used to be the site of an old cider factory when the cider industry was bigger in this county. Just down here. Right, I've got myself a new pair of riding jeans. Lovely friendly lady in there, very helpful. I opted for the dark navy coloured jeans. Tried them on, make sure they fitted. I went for the optional armour in them. So that's a bit of knee and hip armour. Look just like a normal pair of jeans, except they have the Kevlar lining. She also showed me a pair that they've had with a dummy and dragged behind a vehicle. And it wears through the denim but not the Kevlar, so they look like they'll do the job. I'm very pleased with the service. Recommend anybody to go there. and the jeans look like they're really good quality. In fact, I met somebody at a bike night earlier this week who got a pair of those, and they look like new, but he said he'd had them for 3 years, so I don't think there's going to be any problem with them lasting. So very pleased with my purchase. I've not got them on because I've got my leather pants on, so I put those back on because I think the jeans were easier to pack in my little tail bag. And they do ship them worldwide and don't charge a fortune for posting them either. So I think when you go and have a look on their website, it gives you a price. It does various currencies, I think, and the price you see is the price you pay, including the postage. Now I've just bought mine at the full price. I haven't got any discounts, so I've got no axe to grind with anybody donating, and with my 40 something subscribers, I don't think anybody's going to be offering me stuff to try anytime soon. But I'm quite happy to praise anybody that produces a good product at a good price. They also do stuff like cargo pants and thicker jeans, which are extra linings, ideal for the winter. So thank you very much for watching again, if you've got this far. I hope I'll have another vlog out soon. So this has been Old Man Tony. Goodbye.